Hey guys, let's unbox this KVM dock from TobenOne. So I can use this to connect two computers and share the resources, right? Here's the box, and there we go. That's the device. I'm just removed from the plastic. There we go. See here that I have the information for PC1 and PC2. So I press the button here to select which one I'm going to use. That's the brand name TobenOne. Basically, you're going to install two PCs here, PC02 and PC01. We just changed to another camera here so you see better. There we go, right? Install here, let's say my MacBook Pro, and here my Dell computer. And then I can share the resources like HDMI, 4K, 120 Hz. And here I can connect device as well. Basically, I'm sharing those resources, right? It's a powered, you can power a device here, and it's a 3.0 USB-C port. And here on the other side, you see a USB 2.0. You connect your mouse and your keyboard here and start using it. So super simple. Just put this on a desk, connect your device and start working, right? I'm just put it here and see what else I have here on the box. Here are the cables. So USB-C to USB-C. You can connect to computer number 1. And here I can connect to computer number 2 and share the resources. There we go, the user guide. That's the UDS053 TobenOne KVM Dock. Okay, I'll make more videos later about this one. And now it's just an unbox, right? I hope that helps. You can get yours on Amazon. And if you like this video, please leave your thumbs up, your comments, and I see you in the next one.